right, there you go that way, to the left. Come on. 20 bucks to go that way.
20 bucks ain't enough to repair my truck.
Nah, just floor them. You know what I mean? Just floor them right now. I dare you. There's a for sale. Asking 10 grand, OBO. 5th owner, so you gotta expect some kind of, you know, scratches and dents and stuff. All right, interior is cherry. All original parts. Yeah, we're all about, you know, natural lighting and stuff. So, sunroof, of course. Yeah, Bradda Skyla with the Aloha. Oh, hold on. So sick. This guy will make your life so much easier. Pound this in the ground, set your poles in it, and then you use it to get your poles ready. And then after that, you can take them on the coastline and send it. What is up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. What is up, you guys? Okay, what's up, guys? What's happening? Welcome back for another video with your boy Bradda J. We got Kirby over here making noise. It is another beautiful day that our Lord has made. Yes, we got the sunset, we got the bubble, we got the tugdila. I think this is 3 inches. Big boy. So let's hope we catch something. We're gonna catch some Menpachi tonight. We got some family coming over for Thanksgiving, so we're gonna try and catch some Menpachi, maybe some papios, and bring it over for Thanksgiving. Should be cherry. So over the years, people have been telling me, bro, you gotta use the bubble. And I was like, yeah, no. But then I used it and it actually works. Now I really want to use it, so I'm sticking to this from now on. Beautiful day, whipping in the sunset. First cast of the day. What can we get? Second cast. Come on. The sun shall go down, but my hopes will not. Come on, thick boy. Oh, right on the inside. Well, what was that? Bro, I just got yanked right on the inside. Oh, that was action. That was gonna bite like that. Oh, boom, on. Not a big one, not a big one. Hallelujah, I bet. Oh, yanking a little bit. Slide. Yes, not the lie, huh? Lie, not even lying. No lie. So if I catch a lie, does that make me a liar? Yeah, you guys. Sick. Lie on the 3-incher. Oh, dealer. Flipping in the sunset. Oh, snap. Oh, fudge, man. I'm sorry. Let's throw this one back. Next one we keep. Action, boys. Action moves. This is the Juan. Yeah, my favorite color. Yeah, camera wrong way, cuz you know what? I don't think I even like using shrimp anymore. They're just like way. Oh, Dave, eat, babe. So right now I got the Penn Battle 2 4000. I got 10-pound braid on this bad boy. Got a water bubble with some water in it, connected to 12-pound test fluorocarbon leader. Oh, that was something for sure. Oh, what? What are you? Sticky, probably. Oh, sick. Oh, boom, on again. Yes, sir. Oh. On it. What is this? Lie again. Oh, right now. Keeper. This is definitely 12 inches right here, bro. Let's go, you guys. Oh, he took my grub. So sick. I guarantee 12 inches. So, look at that blue, huh?
Don't touch my blue spot.
I touch your blue spot.
Don't touch my blue spot.
I touch your blue spot. We're taking this guy home. One more time and then switch it up to the Pachis, I suppose. Oh, boom, on, you guys. Yes, oh. Ah! No! Bro, I guarantee my hook is gone. What the fudge, man? Fire. You just wanted to see rocks blow up again, eh? These rocks not gonna blow up. Boom! Half moon tonight, but too bad my camera's not the greatest. I'm gonna use a new fly. It's called Tactical Flies, Bradda Dawson. Yes, sir. I'm gonna try this bad boy out. These look amazing. Kirby got good size of velvet.
Yeah, I just used to spear these buggers.
Yeah, you.
Tactical flies.
Oh, Dawson's flies. Yeah.
Dawson's flies.
Yes, sir. Sick one. Sweet. Tactical flies, baby. Slow retrieve like how Kirby did. Oh, on, baby. Yes, not big one, not bad. Right on the inside too. Yes, Bradda Dawson. Oh, I'm gonna throw this one back. as bait. Yes, third cast in a row. Let's go. Fourth cast in a row. Hey, it may not be big boys, but it's fish coming in. Let me stick my finger in your mouth. There we go. This is what we're looking for. This is the size. It's only been like 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, well, your mouth is a little broken, so we're gonna keep you in the bucket. Oh, that's some big Menpachi. Oh!
Look him, go well.
Uy, right in the eyeball. Oh, I'm on, right there, on. Small guy. Oh, that's like 10 incher. Bradda Kirbs.
In his eye.
In the eyeball. One of those. It flies his major.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a big boy.
In his eye. The Menpachi eye.
Me. For a little guy, I was scrapping pretty hard. It's probably a 3-incher. Throw this one back. There we go, getting a little bit bigger. Yee, one fly. Let's go. Probably. Oh, and it just came off. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, 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 uy. What? Whipping your spot, Raja. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Tug dealer. There we go, Menpachi. There's actually another knot in my line. I was looking for it, and then this guy bit. Poop, poop. See him. Bruh, you guys. My first Velvel ever, I think, for the channel. Keep them coming. We're on a roll here. This is a solid 5.5 there, maybe even 6 inch. This is my mom right here. Bro, that crab that I had, a leg came off, but I put it on and I thought, oh, and wacko. Sorry, I got the team's weakest headlamp. You know how I do over here. Super invasive. The scales are super small and irritating to deal with, but man, very tasty. Picked out a tiny little crab. Look at him. Yes, yeah. We got some small ones for bait. We got some big ones for mama. Look at this top.
Oh, he got away.
12. Wait. Bro, that's so much. So, we're gonna do what we always do. Hit up sunrise, drone out the Menpachi to the abyss, and hopefully whack one big boy. Where is it? Oh, it's right there, dude. Bruh, are you serious?
You're gonna attack my mom?
Aloha and good morning, you guys. It is another beautiful day that our Lord has made. Super beautiful, a little windy. We got the bubble whip, the new 3-inch grubs from the tug dealer. We're gonna let the sun rise a little bit more. We'll do a little bit of whip session, and then we're gonna send out those Menpachis live on the drone. First cast of the morning. Second cast. Third cast. Oh, come on. Oh, move on. Yes, sir. Hang on. I'm bringing you home, baby. Yeah, we're bringing you home. What is it? Bahanoy, probably. Papio Gt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, let's go. Woo. Let's freaking go, baby. 12-inch. Sick, yes, sir. That's my mom right there. This guy in the water without cutting my hand off. Doo doo water. Okay. Alright, let's do that again. And then send out the live Menpachi. Oh, Kirby's up. Let's do it again. Oh. Alright. Wait, really? Was that a fish going for my bubble? For real? Here comes the sun. Oh, there we go. Right on the inside. Not too far out, dog. Oh, come on! Really? That probably was yeah, I was 100 pounds. Beautiful day. Gee. There you go, top dealer. Hello! Bruh! Scoopage in the morning! Dude. Definitely 10 inches right there. Ooh. Cut the finger. Made it. Like for real, dude. Right on the inside too. Pretty action. Alright. I think it's time for the drone. Adrian droner. There's the rain, dude. Put your head on my shoulder. Freaking Curry, you're gonna die over there. Watch you going fly fly. Are you serious? A preemie drop. But it'll do. Alright you guys, we got the Menpachi out there. Bugger is live. So what we like to do is just drone out some live bait or dead bait and just slow drag it in. Slow drag style. That was about 1,300 or 1,200 feet. Not too bad. We could go about 18, but there we go, Curbs. Let's bring in something big. Let's drain this bad boy. Oh, what? Oh, boom, on. Ah, what the heck was that? What the heck is that? I'm just leaving it and it's like something's whacking it. Hoggies probably. I bet you it's the hoggies. Bro, I just need something silver.
You on.
What? Bruh, getting action on the whip more than I am on the drone. Yeah. Bruh, look at that. Tug dealers providing on this video. Gee. Taking this on hold. Coming in and it goes down, it takes a dive and it does a mental 360, okay? Blew my mind. I'm still gonna send it though. Don't do a 360 this time. Okay, we got Bradda Kirbs doing a slow drag on the Menpachi. Oh, we're out there, bruh. I think we're about 700 feet. But drop knee, never, wait, you know, watch my videos though. Drop knee position is the most proper fishing position. Oh, oi. No, right there. Don't you walk over there. But I'm in my proper stance. It's either drop knee or knee on belly. Yep. I think I lost the power of the stance. Oh, you see that? Oh, see, it's the stance. It's the power of the stance. It wouldn't have happened if I wasn't like this. Oh, it beeps. Why are you beeping? Doing it again. ESC error. C error. Automatic supersonic. Why are you beeping?
Please check it out.
Sand them. Give him one spanking.
Oh. Give him one more. ESC error. Not good.
Don't send her out. Don't send her out.
Pissing me off though. Yes. Okay, ready?
No, not really. Oh, dude, you're lying. Where's the drone?
Drone is not coming home. Dude, it's spinning out of control. It's going so much further away. Bro, Aloha Oi drone. It's gone. My drone is not coming home, you guys. That's funny, but not funny. Look at it. Look at it. Look at. It's like 3,000 feet away. Look at it. Look at. Drone is in the water. It's in the water. It was fun while it lasted. That ain't gonna stop me from fishing.
Find them. Keep them.
This fish right next to Kirby, uncomfortably close to Kirby. Too close for comfort. No drone, droneless Dremix. Gee. First fish I see. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Curbs? Pan fry, pan fry.
Pan fry, pan fry.
Blow on that bugger. Man, I got something. I got something. Dude, the whip game is on. This time I was using companion. I think it was the electrical llama. What the heck? Oh. Yeah, the one you're talking about. This is sick. So beautiful. Yeah, so. Oh, no. Are you smart fella or are you part smella? Compania. They never let me down. End it with my favorite color. This guy. Come on, fishy, wishy. But I don't know about you guys, but I had a great time out here. This is actually a very successful fish for me. That up. Oh, yes. Oh, no, I bet. Oh, what happened? Yeah, so yeah, very successful fish for me. Like I said earlier, I'm not used to catching this kind of fish, and especially on the whips. Yes, like there we go, wahanui, baby. Woo! Well, roger that, you guys. That is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys been enjoying this past couple videos too. The drone videos. Don't expect a drone video after this. Well, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post another video. And don't forget to comment. Tell us what's up. And also follow us on Instagram. Yes, sir.
Bro,
Daddy! Choo!
we lost Andre.
Well, if you guys don't hear from us in like a week, send nudes. I mean, help. Well, until next time, you guys. Aloha, mahalo, God bless.
Mark the road. We lost. Oh, that is the road.
Well, roger that, you guys. Whoa. Well, roger that, you guys. Aloha, mahalo. Until next time, God bless. Shoot.